Hi everyone, today I'd like to share a really delicious fat bomb recipe. I make this recipe with some almond butter and cocoa powder, so it's a really delicious flavor, kind of like an almondy chocolate cheesecake flavor. It's really good and I hope you all enjoy it. These are the ingredients you'll need. 5 tablespoons of almond flour, 5 tablespoons of SWERVE confectioner's sugar, 1 tablespoon of room temperature butter, 6 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of room temperature almond butter, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, some liquid sugar to taste if you want to sweeten it more, or you can just use the sugar that you're already using for this recipe, but I have it so I want to use it, and some dry unsweetened coconut flakes to roll the fat bombs in. To make these fat bombs, it's really easy. All I'm going to do is put everything in this little food processor, and then I'll coat them with some coconut flakes. So I'm going to start with the cream cheese. I am going to cut this in small pieces so I can fit it in here. Next, I'll put the almond butter, the butter. Because I don't have much space left, I'm actually just going to mix this real quick and then put the dry ingredients in there. I just put the cocoa powder in there, the almond flour, I don't think my sugar is going to fit in here, so I'm going to mix it again. I should have just used my bigger blender, but that's okay. Now I'm going to add the sugar and the vanilla extract. Mix it all until it's fully mixed together. I'm going to taste this and see if it's the sweetness I want. It's good, but I think I'm going to put maybe about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 drops of liquid sweetener. Okay, this is done. I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. So this is what it looks like right now. It's kind of like a light texture, and this is really delicious even just eating it this way. But what I'm going to do is let it sit in the fridge for at least an hour, and then I'm going to coat it with the coconut flakes. This has been in the fridge for almost 2 hours. Now I'm going to take a little scoop like this one. This is about the size of a tablespoon, and I'm just going to take some of this fat bomb mixture and put it right in the coconut and coat the fat bomb with the coconut. The longer this mixture sits in the fridge, the harder it will be, so it'll be easier to roll in the coconut. And this is the finished result. Once you roll them in the coconut, you can let them chill in the fridge for a few days. You can also coat these with some walnuts or toasted almonds. I personally love coconut, but you can use anything that you like. I hope that you enjoyed this delicious keto fat bomb recipe. I've tried a lot of fat bomb recipes out there, and these are my favorites. So I hope you try them out, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and want to see more, please subscribe. Thank you. These are so, so delicious. This batter is still pretty soft, but Once they chill in the fridge for longer, it'll harden up, and they are seriously the best fat bomb recipe I've tasted. I hope you all try them and like them as much as I do. One tablespoon of room temperature cream cheese. Okay, now I'm going to put the coconut. I just put the cocoa powder in there and the vanilla powder and the vanilla extract.